kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do than hang around and wait for you to grow up and be responsible. It's my
good, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. So today is a bit of a different video from the ones I usually do. Now if you're new to my channel, typically I'm on a beauty. I'm doing like hair, wig reviews, hair tutorials, makeup, stuff like that. But I just started transforming my bedroom and a few rooms in my apartment up, and I was like, let me go ahead and give y'all the tea. So first of all, I just moved in this apartment a few months ago. It is hot, child, and it is an old house. So it was an old style apartment house, and so like all of the walls are like that yellowy beige kind of color, real old school, but the paint looked like it hasn't been painted in years because it was all chipping and it was just a mess. Okay, so I was like, you know what, why not paint? But then I started getting in the mood, like I want to feel comfy, so I transformed everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a tour of the bedroom. I'm going to show you all of the items that I got, down to the paint, down to everything, okay? Everything that's updated and new. And I will put the links in the description box for where I purchased everything. I'm not sure the prices off jump, but oh, my arm is hurting. But the prices, I will have it pop up in the video. I'll give y'all all the information. If I miss something, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. So let's go. All right, so the dresser is like one of my favorite things, okay? I got it from Wayfair and it wasn't that much. I think it was like $155. I could be mistaken, but I'll put that information in the description box. And it'll also pop up in the video sometimes so you can know. But it is a 6-drawer dresser. As you can see, one side for Dominique, one side for me. And I like these. I really, really do, because I feel like the tall ones, you can't really do anything to the top. So I love the fact that I can decorate the top and stuff. So this flower, well, not flower, but this plant, I actually got this off of Amazon and it was a 3-packer. So you got this and 2 other ones that came in a pack. They don't look exact the same. Like it has different color leaves and stuff like that. But it was only like maybe $15. So I thought it was pretty cool. And then this plant I got from Walmart when I went in person, and I thought it was bomb. That's one of my favorite ones. So yeah, girl. But this is a close-up on the dresser. So I don't know if it's wood, but it doesn't feel like wood, but it has like a wood type finish. I love it, and I think it kind of goes with my gray scheme. So as you can see, my walls are clearly gray. We'll talk about the paint in a minute. Now this mirror, okay, everybody gotta have them some kind of decent mirror in the bedroom. Now the mirror I got from Lowe's, and it was like maybe $20-something. Not bad for the size at all. All of the other mirrors that I saw, wall mirrors and stuff, it was like starting at $50 and up for like this size, but this was like $20-something. So I'm gonna give you the tea on exactly which one this is, the size, dimensions, and all of that. I love that it's not framed, because some people are shopping for the frame ones and those cost more, but I don't even like framed mirrors. I feel like this one gives it a sleeker, cleaner kind of look. So it is very heavy because it's a real glass mirror, but I went ahead and just mounted it on the wall. You can see where I mounted it or whatever. So shout out to this mirror, because listen, Lowe's came through with this one. So these night tables are one of my faves. I got it from Wayfair. So I got this one over here, and I got this one over here. It came as a 2-packer, and I think it was like $30, which is not bad at all. And it's very easy to put together, very simple. It's not wood, but it's sturdy and it holds enough weight. I mean, the nightstands, I just felt like was going to be too hefty and too big, and it was going to take up a lot of space in here because the room is not that big. So this works fine. It does what it's supposed to do. You need to do little things, put something there. get a little water, a little foam, whatever, it does its job well. So we're gonna move in and talk about the lamps. So these lamps I got from Amazon, y'all. Oh my gosh. And I think it was like $30 to $40 for both of them. And I love it because, first of all, let me show y'all. It's touch. So when you touch it, it comes on, it goes bright, and then it goes brighter. But also one of the features that I love is that you can charge your stuff on it. So it has 2 USB ports right here if you want to charge something directly through USB. Or you can use the charging ports, which we have a 3-prong I use for my laptops, and then that one for my phone. And that's Bath and Body Works, y'all. Y'all know I got candles all the time. They were having a semi-annual sale. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but that's when I picked that up. But let's talk about this plant. The plant I picked up from Amazon again. I think this plant was only like $10, $11, something like that. I don't use real plants because I just like the look of fake plants. I feel like it just looks nice. It doesn't die. You don't have to water it. And I hate bugs. They love to be in those real plants. So yeah, I love this plant. And if you guys do watch my beauty videos, like my wigs, my makeup and stuff like that, you do know I have plants in that room as well. And sometimes I interchange them just to kind of switch up the rooms a bit. So yeah, so let's talk about something else. So the bed I got from Wayfair. It's a queen size bed. And I love that headboard. Is what you call it, upholstered. You know I'm not good with these words, y'all. So that's what it looks like. I think it's really cool. Then you have like this inner piece right there. So you just kind of feel kind of enclosed when you sleep in the bed. So I like it. And it is a platform bed, and it comes with 3 legs on each side. So you got one here, one in the center, and one at the end. Same thing for both sides. And because it is a platform bed, if you don't know, you don't have to use a box spring. So I thought that was a plus. So all I had to do was get the mattress. The mattress is a Lucid mattress. It's a gel memory foam mattress. It is 10 inches and I got it from Walmart because they had it for the cheapest price. I personally like it. It is firm, or considered like firm, but not extra firm. So I don't know. Still kind of trying it out, feeling it out how we both like it, or whatever. All right, so the pillows are very basic pillows, nothing too crazy about it. I just picked up some firm pillows, I think from Target for one set and Walmart for the other set. Nothing special about them. They queen size. We don't sleep with all of them. I kind of got it just for a vibe. Like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but I was kind of going for like that hotel vibe, because when I'm in my bedroom, I like to feel like comfortable. And if you think about it, you feel so comfortable when you go to a hotel. So I was like, why not bring that vibe here? So I don't have any pictures or anything hanging up on the wall, because the more simple it is, the more refreshing I feel. That's just my opinion. But the blanket is just a nice quilted white blanket. I don't know if I got this from Amazon. I may have gotten it from Walmart or something, but y'all know I'm gonna hook y'all up with the details. The pillowcase in the front is white and it has like these gray stripe design on it. And I just recently picked that up. And I think I got it from Target or KOHLS or something. Not sure, y'all, but I'm gonna give y'all the tea though. And then the one in the back is just pure white along with the sheet set. So that's that. We do have curtains. The curtains I absolutely love. Let me close it to give you a better look. So that is the style of the curtain. I think it's pretty bomb. I have a basic curtain rod. I'm not too big on the crazy fancy ones. And the curtain was very affordable. I'm thinking it was like $10 to $15 for these both 2 panels. They came in a pack and I got it from Walmart. I typically get my curtains from Walmart all the time because they typically have the most affordable curtains. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, okay? Not gonna hold you. Now, as far as the TV goes, I actually just bought that too. It is a 43-inch TV. It's Hisense Smart TV, Android TV. And I like it, okay? It's HD, of course, 1080p, and you could connect it to your phone, if you have an Android, or you can just use it directly on the TV. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just letting you know if you have an Android, it's an Android TV, so you can kind of sync them and all of that good stuff. So I love it. So you can do your streaming, your Netflix, whatever it is that you need to do. Of course, I mounted it on the wall. And now that TV mount that you see back there, that's my microfiber cloth. Like when I like to clean the screen, I just keep it hidden back there or whatever. But the mount, I think the brand is called ONN, and that is like a Roku brand. I originally bought it when I picked up well, not picked up. I ordered a Roku TV, but after I placed my order, it was out of stock, but I still had the mount coming. So I was like, let me see if it's gonna work. And it worked. And it's very, very lightweight. It's not big and bulky like some mounts are. So, I mean, if you end up trying to get this pair or you want to check out that mount, definitely do it. It was only like $24. So that was a deal. So I think we've kind of hit all the items in the room. So I'm going to talk about the paints really quick. All right, so as you can see, it is gray throughout. I love neutral colors when I'm trying to keep it nice and fresh. So let me talk about this paint, okay? So the paints that you see on the door and all the trimmings is Glidden, and it is the matte finish, and it's the premium paint. I think it has paint and prime in it, and it's like $24 or something like that for a gallon. And the color is Roller Coaster. I had to think about that. The color is called Roller Coaster, and then the walls is the same thing, but the color is called Good Evening. And y'all can't tell me the vibe is not hotel-like. Like, OMG, it's so comfortable when I sleep in here. I want to, like, I finished doing a long day of maybe some videos, editing or something. I come up here, get up on the bed, I turn that TV on, and I chill. And sometimes we even bring the Xbox in here and start playing. And I love me some Sims and Crash Bandicoot. So this is my bedroom, y'all. And this is my vibe. This is what I've been sleeping in for the past few weeks. And I've been dying to show y'all my new stuff. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is an old house. It's an apartment, but it's an old house. So everything was pretty much old. You had that old yellow beige paint on the walls, and it just looked so dull. I could not have imagined this room looking like this. I feel now like the room looks like something that you might want to be in, because before it was a hot mess. So this is what we got now, y'all. All right, y'all. So that basically concludes my room transformation. Let me know if you like some of the items that I had in here. Let me know if you're going to try something similar. I mean, do y'all like this vibe? Because I love it. It's so refreshing. Like, it's so refreshing. It's just clean. It's minimal. Not too much going on. That's how I like it. I like it just clean and crisp. But yeah, that's a wrap for this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it on up. It was so good talking to y'all and showing you my stuff. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'll holla. Mwah.
So I hold you accountable, so grow up. It's cheating season, for God knows reason. Stop making up excuses